what is possibly the most scary thing that's ever happened to you? Probably a broken retainer, and I'll tell you why. This patient came into the office after having a glued in retainer for some time, years. Look at those teeth, look at those teeth. The most important thing for oral health long-term is keeping your teeth clean. If you can't do that, then it doesn't matter how straight your teeth are and how perfect your bite is. Got to have clean teeth. But when the teeth are clean and the bite looks good, teeth are straight, things are good. Life is good. Or at least one aspect of life is good. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that bonded retainer. The little wire, little dots. Not every retainer is like that. Some have the one wire that goes just straight back there. It's only glued on 2 spots. Look at that, look at that. Lovely. Right there, pointing out the spot where the glue is now missing. Look at that, all those dots in place. As you can see, those are only glued to 4 teeth, 6 teeth. So all the other teeth can do whatever they want. And normally the back teeth don't move too much, but if you had spaces or if you had a tooth in the back that was really twisted, like, you know, these retainers are not gonna help that. Do you have to get checked every year for your glued in retainer? No, but you are going to your dentist every 6 months, possibly, and they can help out. You just gotta pay attention to the retainers and the health of those retainers. So now we're gonna clean around that spot. We're gonna clean around that spot to try and make it so that the new glue is glued to actual tooth and not any old glue. We feel like that can help with the bond. So the vibrations, nobody likes that. Also, it spits out cold air and that can be tough. We're gonna rinse and dry. Gotta clean off all the debris that we just made by getting the, cleaning up the glue. We're gonna dry it because we're going through our bonding process. Remember, dry teeth. You gotta clean the teeth. Well, clean the teeth first. Then you dry it, right? Rinse it and dry. And then you've got to apply actual cleaner. Here's the cleaner, right? Blue edge. Looks like a shot. It's not. It's not going in your gums. It's going on the tooth. There shouldn't be any pinching feelings. There shouldn't be any pain associated with putting this on. Although if it does get on your skin or your tissue, sometimes it can leave a little burning sensation. Look at that. Look at that. Boom. Just a little spot. Just boom. Right there. Just like that. So you leave it on for like 15 to 30 seconds. And then spray some water, and then you're gonna blow some air again because you don't want it to be wet. Then after you rinse it off, you wanna dry it again. We're looking for the Frosty, not Frosty the Snowman, although frostiness does have a white appearance. That's what we call it, Frosty. See? It's turning white. Cotton roll to help with drying. Now we're putting on some of the extra glue material. So we brush it onto that tooth, makes it shiny, so it went from frosty to shiny. Look, we have 1 dot and a little bit of primer. Use our little blue stick. Not everybody has a blue stick. Get it on there. That's how we push it on. Go underneath, like butter that thing under the wire. And when you're putting the glue in there, we're talking about really small space. Sometimes the glue can get in different spots where we try to control it. Can't see it anymore. Okay, the blue light helps the glue get hard. Now some people are like, can I eat? Do I have to wait a while? No, the answer is if you got a full cure with the light, that means the glue has now cured, it's polymerized, and it's super hard. And so it's gonna be hard as it's ever going to be. And so you should be able to eat right away. Now you can't go out and eat rocks, things that you're not supposed to, but it should be strong. So we're gonna use our little tool here to kind of check, make sure the wire's not loose, maybe even push on it. We like to do that to check. And then sometimes we clean around it because the glue gets in different spots or it's just a little bit big. Try to make it smaller. Ooh, trying to see if I can sneak some floss in there without a floss threader. We got the glue retainer back in, we checked it with some floss to make sure it was all clean, because, if it's glued on each tooth, it's a little hard to get under there. So you gotta, water pick, brushing, flossing, all those things can be really important to helping you maintain clean teeth. So why is it the most scary thing in the world? Well, that's because your teeth can move, all right? It doesn't matter how long your teeth have been in a specific position, okay? If you let it go, for all you Elsa lovers out there, that tooth could just go buck wild and move on you. And it's such a bummer, and that's why it's scary. So if you have a broken retainer, or you think you might, you better come see me or your local provider. Whoever did your retainer, if it's possible. Probably cheapest that way. Anyways, go get it checked, whether it's a glued one, whether it's a removable one. If you don't have a retainer that you can wear, your teeth can move. And that's why it's scary, because you have to get braces again or clear aligners again to fix it sometimes. And I know you just had so much fun the first time or the second time, maybe the third time. Listen, hope this video video was enjoyable. For those of you who are getting a retainer, or if you have a broken retainer and you wanted to see what happens, especially if it's just one piece of glue, it could be pretty simple. But come see me if you have questions. Share this with your friend if they have a broken retainer. Make sure they get on it though, and continue to watch the channel so that we can open your eyes to the wonderful world of straight teeth and beautiful bites. That's all I've got, just a little PFOing so you know where you're going. Packard out.